positive affirmations truly attract good energy into your life and transform the reality that you are experiencing. The thing is that just by saying positive words, that doesn't necessarily mean that they have a positive effect on you and your life, on your way of thinking. Affirmations are you affirming what you believe to be true and stating it, not just for the universe, the world around you, the energy surrounding you to hear, but for yourselves to hear, your existence, your whole body to hear this positive sentence, this statement, and this declaration. I'm going to explain in this video exactly how positive affirmations can actually attract positive energy. Bring that good energy into you, into your mind, into your way of thinking, and transform your life. Because yes, it is possible, as long as you do it the right way. My name's Aliki, and I'm here to help you upgrade your energy. Now, when it is that you say positive words, you first need to understand what positive words are. It doesn't mean just because a word has a high frequency and a high vibration on its own, that just by saying it, it attracts high frequency and high vibration into its surrounding environment. It's the way that you say it, but also where you say it from. If that moment within you, you align your energy, you align your existence, and you stand in your power within your heart and in your core, and in that moment, you speak, and you speak outwards. There's a way for you to speak with your energy going inwards, for your body, for your cells to hear. And there's a way for you to project your voice for all to hear, everything and everyone around you. So I have found that if you say positive affirmations, both to be heard within you and then to be heard around you, outside of you, let's say, that they have so much more power to them. To make affirmations truly attract good energy, you need to reduce the amount of resistance you feel within you. And the more you state affirmations that are truly far away from the reality you are experiencing, then within you, you will experience the feeling of lack. As you are saying these positive affirmations, within you, your mind will be saying, but that's not what I have. But that's not true. Why are you stating something that isn't true? The more you state positive affirmations that are true, the more you will experience them, and the more immediate the results will be. Instead of saying, I have $1 million, say, I am attracting more and more wealth into my life every day. I am worthy of being wealthy. I believe that I can truly be wealthy, and I am moving closer and closer to this. Shift the way that you see affirmations. See them as you declaring your gratitude to the world, declaring what it is that you are truly experiencing and how grateful you are for this reality. I am blessed today. Thank you for the blessings I am experiencing. Thank you for the health that I have. Thank you that I am here. And the more your affirmations are an experience of you sending out this positive energy into the world, that positive energy will return to you. Say the affirmations daily at the same time. And if you can repeat them at 2 different times in the day or even 3 different times in the day, it makes them much more powerful. Find a time that you feel at peace, that your mind is not in overdrive, because then it will come forward from your heart, from your core, and the energy will be so much more powerful and will resonate with the world around you. Your affirmations need to send out the energy. They don't need to just remain in the environments right around you, but to travel out into the world. And for that to happen, you need to do it from your heart and from your core. Making your affirmations a part of your daily routine is truly beneficial. But another thing that will make a world of difference is if you shift your mindset and you think in a positive way. No matter what the external circumstances, whatever may be going on in your life at the time, be in this positive energy where you feel that I believe in me, I believe in everything that is happening, and that it's moving me forward into what I truly want to be experiencing. If you allow the external circumstances to keep you down, to put you down, and your thinking goes into this negative mindset, no matter how positive the affirmations you are saying will be, they won't be so powerful to drag you out of thinking in a heavy energy and thinking in a negative way. If you align the positive affirmations with the positive energy within you, then you attract more and more positive energy. Like attracts like. We all know this, but we forget it. It's very easy for each and every one of us to get our minds attracted to what's going wrong in our lives, attracted into what we don't like, what we would like to change, and to try to focus our energy on this and say positive affirmations about something that we are feeling truly heavy and negative about. To make your affirmations really work, shift the way that you're viewing these events, shift the way that you feel about them. Say the affirmations just before you sleep, when you're at ease, when your mind is too tired to kick in and say, no, it's not really like this, it's not really happening. No matter what you do, you're stuck. Don't believe your mind, believe your heart. Yes, there are positive words. Yes, there is positive energy in words, but where does that energy come from? It's not that the word itself on its own can be spoken. It's spoken by you. And it has to do with what energy are you in as you say it. What are you feeling? What are you thinking? What do you associate with the word itself? Many times you can have a very positive word. Let's take the word love. And when you hear it, you might feel this great high frequency, high vibrational energy because you have associated the word with being in this very high state of experience. But someone else, or at a different time in your life, you may hear the exact same word. You'll hear the word or say the word love, and you will think of the lack of it. You will think of the pain you experienced associated with this word. What associations do you have with the words you are saying? Become more consciously aware of this. What experiences come to mind? What memories come to mind? How is it as you're saying these positive words? How is it that you are feeling? What energy are you in? And the more you're consciously aware of this, the more you can shift it so that you are in positive energy and the words themselves are truly positive and attracting positive things to you. Positive energy attracts positive energy. Positive flow within your heart, within your core, attracts a positive flow in the life you are experiencing. Let me know in the comments of times that you said positive affirmations and they truly were manifested. They truly became the reality that you are experiencing. What is it that you said? Did you also write them down? Did you give them extra power? How is it that you were feeling as you said them? The more you think of this and you remember the feeling, you remember the experience, the more you can apply this to other things that you want to affirm and bring into your life. May your words be filled with positivity, and may they propel you forwards towards the life that you truly want to be experiencing, towards your most beautiful dreams. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe and remember to like.